It's been a while though. I've been actively active, but just staying back to allow you enjoy the view the crypto space is giving you. Please, one thing I'm super proud of right now is that my analysis by the market, and boom, the market is really plummeting. It is really dumping as expected. And so this is my area. I believe the area is expired. And lights would break out, would test, then boom back down. It has boom backed down, broken it, and coming back down. So the question now is, hey Justice, what is this? So what is the future of Bitcoin? What is the future of the crypto market? The future of the crypto market is that it is here to stay, one, and two, the market will dump to nearly 15. What is nearly? The market will be going to 15 to 12k. 15 to 12k. How do I know? It might spike to 15 to 12k. How do I know? Now look at my RSI here. My RSI here is already at the lowest point. Now the RSI is the white line, while my moving average is the yellow line. So my RSI is already at 19. Look at the number here. The number is recorded here. The white number you'll be seeing. So my RSI is 19. My moving average is 35, which is a pure bearish market. We've broken all the levels. Remember, I drew this line to be like, once it breaks it, we are going deep, and when deep, my analysis has been adhered to by the market. So if I have any long-term trader here, I believe you must have even made more than I myself must have made, because hey, I trade, but I get out, I step out, I watch levels, and that's to that. So this is it. So many persons are still holding their short positions on Bitcoin. Why? Because yesterday, let's explain what happened yesterday very fast. See the volume that was traded yesterday. Now I'm looking on the daily. This is a daily candle. So this red candle right now represents today. Now this green candle here in between this both red. See what happened yesterday? Very funny something. Buyers thought they wanted taking the day up. They went as far as 21k, 21.2k, and boom, before the close of the day, sellers brought it back down. So it's obvious a deep market for the weekend. So now what would tomorrow tell? What tomorrow will tell is dependent on how today closes. Now the question is, how long are we still waiting for this bear market to come? Simple. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what is happening there. Now I believe this month has 1 week to go, and this week, since the month began, has sold the highest volume. The highest volume has been sold through this week, and the bad news is we are still selling strong, because the volume this period is even stronger than the volume this period. You get, the volume this period was stronger than this particular volume. This one is weaker than this, and this one is weaker than this, which means the sellers are not ready to get out of this market soon. But one thing I'm certain that would happen soon is a spike, and I believe that spike might occur next week, this new week we are coming into. Be prepared. There will be a bearish spike, a bullish spike. What's the bullish spike? The market moving down to a particular support and bouncing directly back up to trigger a small bullish reaction. So how do we know? Let me on one of the indicators I have that I obey a lot, my trend indicator, the Ichimoku cloud. Now the Ichimoku cloud, the price is quite very far from the cloud. This space between the price to the cloud tells me that there would be a soon to be retest. Now this retest might go as far as retesting to how much? 28k. Don't be surprised. The market will go back to retest 28k either in the month of July or close to August, but we must retest 28k. And let's not get our hopes too high. The bullish traders, this bear market has come to stay for this year, and I believe this market will stop maybe at the close of this year. But hello, on weekly we have got a double top. This is a top, this is a top, and once you have two tops, it is certain that once there's a breakout, this is the reason why I say Bitcoin, the price action of Bitcoin is deadly. What is happening right now is deadly. And if we are to follow what analysis is saying, Bitcoin is coming as low as 4k. Hey, I'm not bluffing here, I'm saying what I know. If we are to follow the double top, double bottom scenario, Bitcoin is coming as low as 4k. And this 4k, I would advise investors, yes, I would advise investors. Some persons will say this is not a financial advice. Yes, this is just giving you financial advice. If you are waiting for Bitcoin to get to a low before you buy, set one of your buy level at 11k and your second buy level at 8k. I repeat, 11k and 8k, because if there is to be a spike, it will be a deadly sharp spike that will trigger a retest, that would lead to a retest. Well, this is what we're seeing on Bitcoin. It is still coming low, and what this video, the purpose of this video today is just to, okay, how deep are we at? Hello, based on the volume of this week, we are rounding up tomorrow. This week we are closing tomorrow. It's not looking good at all. So depending on how tomorrow closes, we tell how the next week will begin. But one thing I'm certain for is that next week will not be as deep. The volume of next week will not be as strong as the volume of this week. So please, if you are trading next week, trade with caution. Don't go too short next week. Be observant. It pays most to understand before entering. As a matter of fact, I analyze once. I enter into a trade once in a week, and that trade I've entered, I'll just be watching, taking profit, setting new positions, taking profit, setting new positions on a particular pair till the end of the week. And by the grace of God, I'm closed for this week, waiting for midnight Sunday's move. So this move from this midnight to Monday midnight matters a lot. So please, because you are seeing it plummeting very deep, does not mean you should go all day, because I'm telling you, my people, on the weekly time frame, we are already too deep in the ground. We are at 24. Our RSI is at 24, and our price is very far from the Ichimoku cloud. Our price is far from the cloud. So the purpose of this video is a caution. Please calm down. Yes, if you are not in this week's short, you have missed the opportunity of taking a good profit this week. Very fine. Leave your entry till next week, and please don't jump into the market. Wait to see how tomorrow closes. See you another time. I'll be posting my next video by Sunday night, which is tomorrow's night. Let's see how the market will go, and I will give us an update if we are to start entering the market in the short term, or we are to wait further. Have a blessed weekend. Love you.